Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that bit. Now I would like to introduce Assistant Professor Dr. Doi Hiroto of the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences. Enjoy.
Hello, welcome to the University of Tsukuba. My name is Hiroto Doi. I am an assistant professor at the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, and I specialize in philosophy and leisure studies. I would like to introduce my research. My main research is on Timaeus, a book written by Plato in ancient Greece, and later commentary on Plato's Timaeus. I am also doing research on digital humanities, such as visualization and haptization of philosophy and thought. And my recent research is diversity studies, which is a study of how to support LGBTQ+ students and staff in order to create our university where people can fulfill their potential. Plato's Timaeus, a philosophical treatise on how the universe was created, was Plato's most influential work for the Western European world. But it is not only a book about the creation of the universe. It is also a book of pure philosophy about how humans should live their best lives. And the best way to live is more like a religion than a philosophy. Today, we tend to think of philosophy and religion as two different things, but in ancient Greece, there was no clear distinction between them. Do you know this famous painting? It is the School of Athens by Raphael, an Italian Renaissance painter, and it depicts many ancient Greek philosophers. Plato and Aristotle are in the center. The book Plato is holding is Timaeus, indicating that Timaeus was considered to be Plato's masterpiece. Later scholars wrote various commentaries on Timaeus. Among them, I am interested in the commentary by Proclus, a 5th century Neoplatonist. However, this commentary is very difficult to understand. Therefore, I used digital humanities software to read the Greek text, to mark it up visually, and then to visualize by using other software, as shown in this figure. Although there is a complex interplay of various concepts, we can see how important concepts are related to other concepts, even though there are few examples, and we can see where to focus our research in the long commentary by Proclus. This kind of visualization helps to make complex philosophies and thoughts easier to understand. To take this a step further, this simplified visualization is made into a 3D model, which can be further sculpted with a 3D printer so that you can touch it with your hands. In this way, the thoughts of the ancients can be better understood with the help of today's technology. I have also applied this method to important theories in leisure studies and actually use it in my classes as a teaching tool for the history of leisure studies. It goes something like this. You can see and touch and compare the differences in what scholars focus on in one theory and another. It is often thought that the humanities, such as philosophy and leisure studies, are no longer useful today. Certainly, we cannot keep doing things the same way we used to. However, by extending the humanities with technology, we can explore uncharted fields. By the way, why did I come to do this kind of research? I liked electronics as well as philosophy, so when I was a high school student, I was not sure which departments to choose. I decided to enter the University of Tsukuba, where I could do transdisciplinary research. In undergraduate, I took a class called Tsukuba Robot Contest, in which we had to build our own robot from scratch. And this is a class unique to the University of Tsukuba, and students can take it regardless of their specialty. It has been 25 years since I met Professor Sankai, who is famous for his robot suit HAL and cybernetics in that contest. Now I became a member of the teachers of the class. One of the undergraduate students I currently teach came to this university to study robot ethics. After joining in the robot contest, she is going to program a robot to experiment philosophical dialogue with humans. She is now preparing to submit her research result to an academic journal. The University of Tsukuba is really a wonderful university where everyone can do new things. The academic world is complex, but it is all connected in the essence. However, in many universities, it is difficult to learn in a transdisciplinary way. This university has a great feature of beyond all borders. Studying at the University of Tsukuba, full of surprises and fun, will make your life an exciting experience like no other. We are waiting for you at the University of Tsukuba. Thank you.